Okay, so a demonstration of this Range Rover, this automatic Range Rover. Let's just turn it on underneath. The on-off switch is just there, so we're just going to turn that on to start with. Turn that over, and then on the handset, again there is an on-off switch just there, and we're going to turn that on and the light comes on. So that is ready now to move, and there is two controls. One is the forwards and backwards, whoops, try not to go off the edge, and the other, which is this wheel here, which will turn the wheels, or the front wheels, so you can steer it. But obviously let's get this on a bigger area to give that a go. So let's give that a go. Okay, so I've got it down on the floor in the lounge. Again, just turning on the hand switch, and yeah, let's see if it moves a bit better. Whoops, that's backwards, under the table, and there it goes. So trying to do it one-handed, but let's do a little bit of steering. Let's try and oops. Right. You get the idea. So that is working exactly as you would expect. Obviously two-handed you would be able to do that a lot better. There we go, working as you would expect.